Hi everybody, let's talk about Google Classroom for your smartphone. Now, when we talk about Google Classroom for your smartphone, we want to know why. It's quick. It gives you another way of easily getting your items for your classroom up into your classroom, and you can access it from anywhere. So when we're talking about Google Classroom, what we need to do is know how to install it. So the first thing is that we go to our App Store and we search for our Google Classroom. Once you're installed, it's a pretty easy setup. You sign in with your Wapaka Schools account and you should see all your information from your Google Classrooms you've already put in. So if I hit open my account, and there's some of my classrooms that I already have installed. So if I want to go in and update my classroom for my smartphone, it's pretty much the same as the web interface. If I want to add things in, I go to my classwork tab, I hit the plus button in the lower right corner, and let's say I wanted to put in some class notes that I hand wrote out, and I want to get it out to my students. Well, I could hit material, and I could type in the information that I want that to be. And I could put a topic in. So let's just say it's that. Or I could add a new one in. And once I want to add in that photo, all I have to do is hit the paper clip and I can pick the way I want to get that in. So if I want to take it from my camera right at that second, I could then use however I wanted to handle that right now. So maybe I have my notes here. All right, so I could take my notes, and that is going to be it's uploading right now. And as soon as I'm ready, I just hit the little airplane button at the top of the screen, the little triangle airplane looking thing. And that has added that into my Google Classroom. Another thing you can do is if you're adding a material up, you don't have to add it to just one class. You could select multiple sections. So all I have to do is say click on which class I'm in, select the multiple sections that I want, and that will send it out. I can also send it to just a few students. If I have multiple students, I could uncheck all students and I could select the individual students, or if I had a small group that was getting that thing. So if you have any questions, send them on my way. Thank you so much for watching.